Hello mindful foodies, Inga from Health Origins here. So today I'm going to show you how to make easy garam masala powder at home. So in the bowl there I've got 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. To that I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, then 2 teaspoons of black pepper, then 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon I'm adding there. Then you need 3/4 of a teaspoon of ground cloves I'm adding. Then half a teaspoon of ground cardamom. And last, 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg. And then mix everything together well. And then this is your garam masala. You need to then store it in some airtight container. I'm using glass jars. And there you go.